Alright, in my previous video, I compared the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus and the Tecno Spark 30 Pro. And the winner happens to be the Tecno Spark 30 Pro. Basically because it has a more better camera configuration, sturdy design, and it is lesser in price, right? So yeah, in today's video, we'll be comparing the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus and the Infinix HOT 50. Obviously, the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus is much better, but both of the devices has a lot in common that I'm going to be mentioning out in today's video. So in case you want to get any of the devices or you bought any of them and you're wondering if it's worth it, then this video is for you. So without wasting much of your time, let's vibe on. Hey, what's up guys, it's Aflord here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we'll be comparing the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus and the Infinix HOT 50. Yeah, so first off, we're going to start with the design and build quality of both devices. So the design of both devices looks really similar, to be honest. The Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus has a nice design and build quality, while the Infinix HOT 50 design and build quality isn't bad either. On the rear of both devices, you'll notice they come with triple camera sensors, and they are both made of with plastic on the rear and on the frame. Now, the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus has a more slim and sleek design, and the curved display on this device makes it feel more premium than the Infinix HOT 50. The Infinix HOT 50 has this boxy shape. It is pretty much cool, and yeah, you won't actually compare both devices when it comes to the design. The Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus has a more better build quality than the Infinix HOT 50, right? So yeah, on the design aspect, the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus is much better. So in terms of display, the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus and the Infinix HOT 50 comes with similar display size. Yeah, they both comes with 6.78-inch display screen, 1080 pixel resolution, and the both refreshes at 120 Hz. Now let's talk about the image quality on both devices. So viewing content on both devices is pretty cool, but on the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus, you'll notice that the image quality is pretty much more vibrant, more clearer, and vivid than the Infinix HOT 50. And that is because of the AMOLED display on the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus. So obviously, AMOLED displays is more better than an IPS LCD. But that doesn't mean you can't actually get clearer image on the Infinix HOT 50. But the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus is much better than the Infinix HOT 50 when it comes to the display aspect. So the curved display on the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus is the major selling point, and I like the fact that it is curved. It actually makes it stand out from the rest of the devices in the series. On the front of the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus, it comes with a Gorilla Glass screen protector for each curved display. So the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus comes with an IP54 rating for dust and water resistance, while the Infinix HOT 50 comes with an IP rating for dust and splash resistance. Yeah, so another advantage on the display of the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus is the peak brightness. The Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus has a peak brightness of 1300 nits, while the Infinix HOT 50 has a peak brightness of 480 nits. So it is obvious that the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus has a significant difference when it comes to the peak brightness, and this is really useful when you're viewing content outdoors. You can pretty much see images clearly on the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus while you're outdoors than on the Infinix HOT 50. So when it comes to the performance, both devices are Jin or GG. That's how they call it in Nigeria. Yeah, so both devices actually powers the MediaTek Helio G100. This is pretty much a new chipset, and it is much better than the Helio G99. So gaming on both devices is pretty much cool, and you can game in medium graphics setting and low frame rate to experience smoother performance. So the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus comes with an internal memory storage of 8GB RAM and 128GB of ROM, while the Infinix HOT 50 comes with an internal memory storage of 8GB RAM and 256GB of ROM. So this is pretty much a nice thing on the Infinix HOT 50, right? So I'm going to say they are pretty much equal when it comes to performance. So both devices runs on Android 14 based on SOS 14.5, and what makes the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus much better is that it's going to get 1 year software update. So when it comes to the camera aspect of both devices, you will notice that the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus and the Infinix HOT 50 both comes with triple camera sensors on their rear. But the main camera that is more functional is the 50 megapixel main camera. The rest of the lens is QVGA lens or like auxiliary lens, right? On the front of the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus, it comes with 13 megapixel selfie camera, while the Infinix HOT 50 comes with 8 megapixel camera. So the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus has a more higher megapixel when it comes to the selfie camera, and you're likely to get more clear photo on the selfie camera of the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus than on the Infinix HOT 50. The Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus has its existing battery capacity of 5000 mAh that supports the 3-watt fast charger, and also it has one essential feature that is called the bypass charging. This can literally help to bypass your charging while you're gaming, and it can literally help in like reducing the overheat of your mobile phone and stuff like that. So on the other hand, the Infinix HOT 50 comes with 5000 mAh battery that supports 18 watts charge. It doesn't have the bypass charge. So both devices comes with fingerprint sensors that respond to fingerprints real quick. The Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus comes with an under-display optical fingerprint scanner, while the Infinix HOT 50 comes with a side-mounted fingerprint. Now for the price point, the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus is priced around 280,000 naira for the 8GB variant and 128GB of internal storage, while the Infinix HOT 50 is priced around 240,000 naira for the 8GB variant and 256GB storage option. So yeah, it is obvious that the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus won this comparison, and yeah, it is much better than the Infinix HOT 50. The price difference between both of them is like kind of much if you ask me, and I think you can actually settle for the Infinix HOT 50 if you don't have much budget to go for the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus. But if you feel like you want to use a more premium smartphone that would actually offer you more better premium feel, you understand, like the curved display, premium design, a more fast charger, 1 year software update and other stuff like that, then you should go for the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus. Then if you don't have more budget for that, you can stick with the Infinix HOT 50 because yeah, it is not bad either, right? So yeah, thanks for watching this comparison video. I really appreciate. You can actually let me know your thoughts in the comment section on what you think about both devices. And yeah, here comes the end of my comparison video between both devices. Please do not forget to subscribe and also turn on your notification bell to always get notified whenever we drop a new video on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.